Alright guys, so this is my kitchen. And the lady that didn't want to be on camera just walked into the camera, so she did it. See, it's this ugly green.
Green's pretty.
Looks like a pool hall.
But I love the wall. So we're getting ready to change our counters and make it marble.
We're going to pull the stove out so that when we put the material on, we can wrap it around the edges so the heat from the stove isn't going to bubble up the exposed edge.
Is it okay to have that in
Hey!
Yeah.
What time is it?
Just, yeah, because when you've got...
Is that your real estate agent?
Say what?
Is that your real estate agent?
Okay, we need a knife.
Real estate agent.
You know,
Yeah.
No, I'm her interior decorator.
You know everything. You're full of great information.
Dang, it looks bubbly. Waste not, want not, in case we run out.
Okay, so it's snug up there.
Nope.
So
Maybe
need
that's-
some
Need me to help hold it?
Oh, you don't want too much.
so you
Take and crease this up just a little bit. That way we'll have just a little bit up there to cover. And then put this sauce in there. And then we can, once we have it all secured and it's cured, we can trim the excess off. You know what I mean by cured, right?
Nope.
Yeah.
I was gonna say you should
Nope,
know.
yeah.
But does America know?
America.
Cured is when you have glue or whatever your material that your adhesive is fully set.
Don't look at my nails. Don't zoom in on my
They
nails.
look better than mine.
So we spray, we peel, we stick, we smooth it out. We're gonna peel it a little. When we spray it, we're gonna start peeling from here, and we're gonna use the tools to smooth it out, and we're gonna be peeling as we're smoothing it out. That way we don't get bubbles and stuff like that. And if you spray me with that one more time, I'll smack you.
More views.
Trying to lower the
We're not at work. I can do this.
All right, let's do it.
Spray a little bit as we go. Start at the top and peel and start sticking it at the top.
Okay.
And then we'll lift up, spray a little more, peel a little more as we smooth it out. No, it's for doing Bondo. It's what they do use on cars, but I'm
Oh, yeah.
going to be doing it on my props.
It's my fault.
No.
Someone who brings me joy in the good times and the bad, who's filled with peace, knowing that I'm the best he's ever had. Your patience is a virtue, so I know I definitely deserve you. Your kindness is romantic and sweet, but still street. Your non-selfish goodness can't be beat. Through faithfulness we have loyalty and trust. Balancing time with work, family and me are a must. Our gentleness keeps us humble and I admire your self-control. Someone with the same qualities as me, that's why I'm dedicated to a committed handy guy who's an active father and an educated. I keep praying for love that's true. Can't wait to fall in love with you. I love a guy who can dance, who knows how to groove, not just trying to get in my pants. That's so exciting. Yeah, the music's how I like it. It's not about the race, it's about how he treats me. This may come as a surprise. He could be tall, dark, and handsome, or have blonde hair.
Yeah, that looks
Should we spray under there?
Now I've been as I've been pushing, the water has been going with it, so it's going up under there.
Nice. Man, we're gonna be in a whole new house in 30 minutes.
No, I'm adding like 2K just to the kitchen.
Yeah. Was this stuff like, how expensive was this
The,
stuff? Like 30 bucks a roll?
each.
That's 10 bucks?
From Amazon.
Well, underneath, because it's particle board underneath and not mica. And yeah, see how it's not sticking well to this kind
Yeah,
of
but if you
surface?
don't do that, then you don't get stuff that you want to get.
Yeah, I know. It's not sticking well on the edges because of the material that the edges are. So you might need to get some mastic tape or something like that, since it's going to be in hidden areas, and just secure down the edges underneath, you know, where it's coming up, because you're not going to be able to see that anyways. Or else you can get a stronger glue on it. After this is all set and all, then you'll take the X-Acto knife right along close here to cut this excess off. And like I said, get some clear caulking, and we can just put a bead of caulking along there too to help keep it from separating from the seam. And this little excess here, we can trim.
This is time consuming.
You want me to start over here?
Yes.
I was gonna say, why am I the only one doing this?
You got the initiative.
So we're a little over halfway. I bought 2 packs of the contact paper. I have to order more. Looks like I'll need 1 more. But we got the hardest parts finished already. As you see, we pulled the stove out to get these little corners, and then went back over it with painter's acrylic latex caulk. So the instructions didn't say that we needed this, but I found that worked better. Plus, we also used a hot glue gun for the bottom corners where it wasn't sticking as good. You just take your box cutter and get the edges. So see, this is one that's complete, so we took the edges. Versus on this side, since I'm not finished yet, we haven't cut those edges yet until we get done. So you can see right here where it's gonna need to be trimmed. So the corner is the hardest. Just getting everything, all the bubbles out, and just getting it to be smooth with the creases and everything. But I like it. I think it looks really good. And then I think this is going to be the second hardest with the sink right here. But we will get it. We removed the piece that was on this edge because it wasn't properly aligned. It had some green on the edges. We're going to redo it. So we always crease the corners at the beginning. And you want to hold it. Pull it down. So then you're holding it as you cut. That way you cut the right amount. Flip it. Then flip it. Find your grid. So we are down to the last pieces. We had just enough material, 3 packs to finish this. So then this little extra messed up piece right here we'll use for behind the sink. So we're down to our final part. We're going to use this last piece, smooth out the wrinkles, cut it in 2. And with correction, I said last piece, last 2 pieces. It is finished, guys, and it looks good. We're just gonna caulk the little edges after we go, and underneath with the hot glue gun. So we'll fix that little spot right there.
and go underneath.
with the hot glue gun to get that little spot.
But I love it.
Way better than green. Only thing I like that's green is money.
You feel me? Thank you for watching my video. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. Miss Chantelli Lace. Like and subscribe to my channel.